Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Stingerina Fleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the eye. We'll start by drawing a rounded rectangle shape. And now inside, let's add a circle. And color it in black. Next, around the eye, let's add another rounded rectangle shape to make it thicker. And now let's color it in black. Next on top, let's add the eyelashes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up and back down. Then from both ends, let's draw a wavy line with two bumps over and back down, and the same on the other side. And then let's color this section in black as well. And that's it for the eye. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across like this. Then for the ends, let's continue it by curving it down. Now from the bottom, let's curve it up on both sides. Then let's add two angles down and in. Then let's curve it up and back down in the center. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move up and draw the hat. Let's start on the top right of the head and let's draw two angled lines up. And then add a curve across. Now for the center, let's draw two curves up. And then a curve again at the top. Now let's do the same thing on either side. And then one more small set of skinny ones on the sides. And that's it for the hat. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the tentacles. Let's start on the left side of the body and let's draw a wavy line out, curving it back in, and then up like this. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Then from the top, let's follow that same curve all the way back down. Now let's move down on the left and let's draw another one going out, but curving it down and in. And the same on the right. And again, from the end, let's curve it back in following the same curve. And that's it for the second set. Now let's draw a third one behind. Let's start on the left side in between the tentacles and let's draw a curve down. Continue it underneath. And then up and out on the left. And again, the same thing on the right side. Now from the ends, let's follow that same curve back in. And that's it for the tentacles. Lastly, let's draw the knife on the top left. Let's start with an angled line on both sides like this. Then from the left side, let's curve it down and in. Then bring it over and continue it on the other side. Now from the end, let's curve it down. And then one line to close off the end. Now inside, at each end, let's draw a small circle. Now let's add the blade at the end. Let's start with a diagonal line up and out, and then curve it back in underneath. And that's it for Stingerina Fleena. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!